believe the break is finally over. It's finally my last semester. I've been waiting 4 years for this.
Hey, what's up, Jake? Got my haircut over break. How do you like it?
Huh? Oh, well, no, that fits you perfectly. I mean, it's you. It's just you.
So, what do you think of the hair? You like it? Does it work?
Well, I wouldn't say that, nor would I have created the Hanson homepage or gift catalog or invite them to play at the Welcome Back dance tonight, but hey, that's just me, I guess.
It's right, the dance. I forgot. I gotta call Penny. I'll do anything for a $1 hunter and see if she's gonna be my date.
Yeah, you do that, man. You do that.
Come on in, door's open. Hi, Cassidy Sinclair? I'm Julia.
Hi, Julia. It's nice meeting you instead of talking to you on the phone. What's up with that doll?
Oh, this is Tammy. I swear she won't cause no trouble. Is that okay if she rooms with us? I cross my heart she won't be no trouble.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Hey, is that my bed?
No, that's not yours, Julia. That's yours up there with no sheets.
Don't say
pillows,
pad.
just the pad.
Oh, please don't take me back to that mean place. Honey, do you think I'm fat? What's wrong with me?
What are you talking about? You look okay.
Okay. Okay? What the hell is that supposed to mean?
So what if you've gained a few pounds or have a completely jacked up hairstyle or have breath so bad it can make an onion cry? You have a man. Excuse me, Penny, I'll do anything for a $1 hunter.
Ramsey.
What are you doing? Nothing. All right. What's it?
This is the flyer for the dance that's going on tonight. Everybody who's popular is going to be there. I think that you and I have to go to make sure old Jakey gets what's coming to him.
Donovan, why do you hate Jake so much?
Because, Ramsey, ever since grade school, he's been better than me. When I had the 6-inch sub for lunch, he'd come in with the 12. I got the kangaroos with the zip pockets. He got the Reebok pumps. I saw the new kids on the block in concert. He had them singing at his birthday party.
Oh, okay, I got it. Well, then what's the plan for tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. But I do know. It's going to be very sinister.
Hi, is Penny there? Yeah, Penny, this is Noah. I was just wondering if you were gonna still go to the dance with me tonight? God, what is that smell? Tell her to shut up so I don't have to go through that smell. Jesus Christ. All right. Well, did you want to go? All right, I'll pick you up around 9 then. All right. Thanks. Bye.
So like I was saying, you think you know someone, but then you really don't. I mean, I've been going out with
Jake for 4 years now.
Hello?
Who is it?
Noah, how are you? Oh, yeah, I'd love to go. That's just Lena yelling at me. How do you think I feel? Hey, I'll go with you tonight. Alrighty then, bye.
Where are you going? I want to finish our discussion.
Not now, maybe later. Noah asked me to go to the dance, and I have to go home and find something nice to wear.
You better hurry. Hoochie Mama's street corner hooker shop closes in about an hour.
That's the plan, unless we can think of something better real darn soon.
You know, if only we knew something that would embarrass Jake in front of all of his friends.
Yeah. Good thinking, Ramsey, old boy. I tell you what. This is my super secret RA skeleton key that lets me into all my residents' rooms. Take it. Go down to his room. Snoop around. See if you can find anything we can use.
But what if he walks in?
You're an RA. Tell him you're on inspection or something, moron.
Oh, yeah.
Not the brains of this outfit for nothing.
Hey, Cassidy, do you like the Backstreet Boys, Chumbawamba, or the Spice Girls?
No, and I'll be damned if you're gonna play them.
They're not for me, they're for Tammy. It's the only thing that'll put her to sleep at night.
How about I drop kick her in the head, causing her to stay in a coma for 4 months?
Hello? It's for you.
Of course it's for me. This was my room last year.
Hey, it could have been for me.
I'm sorry, but this phone doesn't accept calls from Mars. Hello? Party? Sure, where is it? Alright, I'll be there. Bring my roommate along? Alright, bye.
Hey, Noel, can you keep a secret?
Of course I can. I didn't tell anyone about your cross-dressing scheme, or that you're afraid of the dark, or you like triple-decker sandwiches that are made of Spam.
All right. Well, I think I'm gonna propose to Lena tonight.
Oh, sorry. Well, congratulations, but for your sake, I just hope she doesn't say I do for a long time, because that breath will knock you out.
What's her bad breath? She doesn't have bad breath, all right? Just give her rest.
I'm
Tonight's gonna be the happiest night of my life, all right? And no one is gonna ruin it, all right? No one.
Darn, you'll never guess what I just overheard. Okay. Jake and Noah were discussing secrets, and Noah revealed that Jake was a cross-dresser, afraid of the dark, a Spam lover, and he's gonna propose to Lena tonight at the dance.
You have got to be kidding me.
No, he's actually a Spam lover.
No, you idiot. I meant the fact that he's proposing to Lena tonight. Don't you see what this means for us? This is our moment. This is the shot we've been waiting for. This is how we're going to destroy Jake. He's going to be there thinking his night's going to be all perfect and wonderful, and we're going to be right there to destroy his hopes, forcing him to spend eternity alone.
Just like you've been all your life.
You really know how to hurt a guy. It's not my fault. I've been hoping to get the fungus cured, but you know how good doctors are nowadays.
You haven't even tried an analgesic cream.
Look, I used the cream, and it made me itch.
Of course it makes you itch. The active ingredient is carbonated.
Wow. Just like my soda.